Hi guys, and welcome back. What you see behind me is the completed glued tower pieces, and we are at that I'm nervous. We are at that pivotal moment. We're at that point where we're going to actually assemble the house. This is all going to be standing upright, and it's going to go on the bottom, which is located right here. You can't see it, but you'll see it here on the next video. We got two choices. I can do this by the book, or I can wing it and set it up on the actual house base itself. What I'm going to need for you guys to do is to let me know in the comments below exactly how you would like to see it happen. I don't know how experienced you are as builders. I'm not going to claim that I'm that experienced, but this would be the second build of this house. I've done it pretty much by the book this time. I haven't really, cut too many corners. But at this point, like I said, what I'd like to do myself is use a lot of masking tape, dry fit it, and see if I can't get it to stand alone, and then go back and glue it. I'm going to become the masking tape magnificent before this house is done. So all I need from you guys is comments. I'm going to wait, I think, until I hear from my subscribers. How do you guys want to go about this? I'm thinking if we go by the book, I may not have enough room unless I do it diagonally right here in the corner section of my benches. Or we actually set it up on the base. We can actually set it up on this base and glue it and tape it and hold it and clamp it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to dry fit it and see how that goes by just setting it up and taping it here and clamping it as best I can. And if that goes well, I might call it good. I'm going to set it up right now, and I'll give it until, I'll wait. If you guys can comment this week, I won't do anything with it until we meet again on Sunday. So please let me know in the comments below how you want to do it. By hook or crook, or by the book. Also, what else did I want to mention? There was something else I wanted to mention to you guys. Like I said, the house is taking shape. Well, I drew a blank. Sorry, folks. The house is taking shape, but leave your comments below. Thank you, subscribers. You're making this a lot more fun than I imagined. And we'll dry fit this. I'll come back. I'll do a real quick video, show you how it looks, and see if we want to proceed. Again, I think that I'll wait until Sunday and see what your comments look like. Please, please like and subscribe. Leave comments, guys. Please, I really, really, really would like to hear from you. And on that note, I'm going to get to dry fitting this, and I'll show you what I mean when I say dry fitting. I have the sides of this puppy up here. Hold on. See, I have the sides right here that are going to go this way. Let me turn the camera so you can see. Hopefully you can see. So they're going to go this way. There's the bottom. And this is actually going to get kind of hard to see for everybody at some point. And then this is the bottom. So I could set that first floor in, and the first floor is going to be like that. It'll look like that. So the first floor could go in, and then we could add the front and the towers last. I don't know, I'm just kind of scared. So like I said, I think I'm going to play with it a little this evening, and then Sunday I'll have more of an idea of what we're going to do when we actually put it together. I do know that it's going to look really nice. And then we have the cupola to build, and we have the roof to put on, and I have to touch up the tower, because as I explained in an earlier video, this took a little spill. So we're going to get back to it, and we are back on track for the San Franciscan, thanks to my sweetheart. He is a really nice guy. Oh, sorry for that, guys. I had to adjust the camera. He measured my 9 3/8, and he measured my 19 5/8, which was on the top. So I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty nervous. Please keep liking. Please keep subscribing. We're gonna do this, and then we'll move on to the inside. And I pretty much have decided that on the inside of this, I am going to do glue and newspaper and get a nice finish on the inside, a nice smooth finish. I'm afraid of using the spackle, and I have the spackle right here. Hold on. I do have this, but I'm afraid this one is popcorn. I'm not going to use the popcorn, but I am afraid that it's going to warp because it's pretty moist. And then I also have, this is going to be the color. It's kind of hard to see there. That's going to be the color of the trim. And these other colors, don't worry about it. This one in the circle, that's the actual color. It's called light fawn, medium fawn, something fawn. I don't remember now. But anyhow, that's what we're going to use for the trim. And then the actual insides will be kind of a cream color like that, but prettier, lighter and prettier. Almost an off-white. But anyhow, like I said, please like and subscribe, guys. And the towers are a goal, and we're headed on with this. Thanks for watching.